Hello, welcome back to Video Wizard. Today I'm showing you how to get the jitter slash shake effect in Premiere Pro. Okay, so you better listen. So what do? We have our first photo here and I want to add that effect. So I'm going to right click in the project panel. I'm going to press new item, adjustment layer. Okay, just press OK on that. Adjustment layer is added. Drag and drop that onto your video. Then head up into effects. And you want directional blur, just as I have down here. Drag and drop that onto the adjustment layer, okay? Make sure it goes on that layer. Then effect controls of the adjustment layer, not the video. And you want to change your blur length to 30% in that directional blur effect. Look at that, It looks really blurry. So choose a random point where you want it to start shaking, really, if you have like a bass drop or something like that. I have a photo, so I'm just going to choose a random point and I'm going to pull my adjustment layer so it starts then. I'm going to move forward one keyframe and I'm going to cut. Move forward another keyframe and I'm going to cut. Another one, 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 I'm going to cut. Okay? Do this for as long as you want the effect to be, really. I'm going to get rid of the rest of the adjustment layer. You don't need that anymore. And get rid of each adjustment layer in between. Okay, so you have one, a space, one, a space. Then play your video. Do you see that? See, it's got that little shake effect. I've done 3, so it's quite short. But that is how you add it, okay? If you want to add more, you can just copy and paste. Or when you do the space cut, space cut, space cut, just do it for longer, okay? That's how you add the jitter effect in Premiere Pro. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great rest of your day.